Here at Twyford Moor's Classic Cars, we offer a whole range of service to keep your classic Jaguar brakes in tip-top condition. Whether it's servicing brake drum parts to upgrades, we've got you covered. One of our most popular upgrades is a disc brake upgrade for the front of an XK120 or XK140. If you want to know why we only do them to the front of XK120 and 140, please drop us a comment and we'll see what we can do about that. Our aluminium 4-pot caliper upgrade is hugely popular for the front of XK150s, for XK120s and 140s with disc brake upgrades, and for E-types and classic saloons like the Mark IIs or Mark Is. These increase braking power and performance on the front using the original discs, or we can fit them with a vented disc upgrade. We have a range of improved brake pads, brake servos, always essential when you're upgrading those brakes. Just make it much easier to live with an XK for stopping. And these beautiful little things are our upgraded brake pods for original XK150, E-type and Mark II brakes. They replace the old pods like for like, but give improved stopping, and don't they just look so nice? If you're looking to improve the braking on your classic Jaguar, please get in touch. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.